Hello everyone, today you're going to be learning how to calculate the area and perimeter of shapes. So, our objectives for today, we're going to recap how to calculate the perimeter of shapes, the area of rectangles, and understand how to calculate the area of a parallelogram. I'd like you to copy your bronze examples down into your book. Could you pause the video here to allow the students time to copy it down? So, firstly, it's asked us to work out the perimeter of these shapes. This first shape here is a rectangle. We've been given the length and the width of the rectangle. We know that this side is 7 centimetres, so this side must also be 7 centimetres. We know that this side is 8 centimetres, so this side must also be 8 centimetres. Now, because it's asked us to work out the perimeter, it means we're working out the outside of the shape, the length of the outside of the shape. So we're going to be adding all of these sides together. So 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8, giving us a value of 30 centimetres. Now we're going to work out the area of this, the perimeter, of this triangle. These two lines on the triangle tell us that this is an isosceles triangle, meaning two angles are the same and two sides are the same length. So this side here is 5 centimetres, this side here must also be 5 centimetres. Now, because we're working out the distance around the shape, we're going to add these values together. So 5 plus 5 plus 6, giving us a value of 16 centimetres. And that is how we calculate the perimeter of the shape. We add the numbers together to get the outside of the shape. Our silver example then. I'd like you to copy these down. Again, pause the video, allow the students time to copy down the work. To calculate the area of a rectangle, the formula is length times width. So the area of a rectangle is equal to length times the width. Here we are told the length is 8 and the width is 3 metres. So to calculate the area of this shape, we're going to do 8 times 3, giving us a value of 24 centimetres squared. Not centimetres, metres, sorry. Metres. Now we're going to calculate the area of a parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is base times your perpendicular height. So base times the height. Base times height. Here, the base is 8 centimetres and our height is 2 centimetres, okay? Your base and your height are perpendicular, meaning they will form a right angle. So here we're going to be doing 8 times 2, giving us 16 centimetres. So make sure you've got all of that copied down into your books. We're going to go on to your trial questions. So, here are your trial questions. Pause the video, allow the students time to copy down the questions. I'm going to put your answers on the screen now, so make sure you've got a green pen ready. Allow the students time to have a go at the questions. I'm going to put the answers on the next slide after running through the tasks. So this is your bronze task, this is your silver, gold, and your platinum, now your diamond. Okay, so your answers are going to come up on the next screen, so pause the video, allow the students time to have a go at the questions, and then 5 or so minutes before the end, give them the answers, and then we're going to do an exam question. So I'm going to show you answers now, so pause the video. So pause the video, allow the students to answer mark their bronze, silver and gold. Mark their platinum, diamond questions. Now I'm going to put the exam question up on the board now. So here is the exam question. Pause the video to allow the students a chance to have a go at the question. They can work in pairs. And then I'm going to place the answer on the screen in a second. So here is your answer. You have another exam question coming up, so have a go at this one. Again, pause the video, allow the students a chance to answer the question. allow them to work in pairs. Okay, and here is your answer. And that's it for today, so well done everyone.